Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Crate, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working on my Christmas junk journal that I am creating for Christmas in July. This is the first junk journal I have ever created using a little golden book, and I'm loving the process. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating the charm that hangs off the side. So what I am doing now is picking the different elements. I have a few of these containers with odds and ends, buttons, beads, mostly from my grandma. She gave these pieces to me a few years back. She is still alive, but she stopped sewing because it was too hard for her with her hands and her eyes. But she passed these beads along to me, and I have been beads and buttons, and I have slowly been using them in projects, so I'm so excited to be able to use them on the charm. So I'm just picking the different elements, the Christmas elements. I love that she had bells in here. Those are going to work perfectly with the Jingle Bell theme of the cover. And I love that there was even some red bells in here because this little golden book that I'm working with has the red spine, and then the words on the cover are red as well. And we have the Santa and the red sleigh. It's going to work out perfectly. So just grabbing this out, and this is super sped up because it was a big process to go through this and find the right pieces. So bear with me, it is sped up, but if you are looking to do this and you need more of a step-by-step tutorial, there is lots of other YouTube videos out there showing you how to do it, and this is just my process, and thank you for coming along with me. So now I'm just cutting down some ribbon. I had this green ribbon and I'm just making it thinner. So what I did, I'm sure there's many different ways. I definitely want to go ahead and research charms and add-ons for the journals, but I'm going to be using a binder ring because I thought that that was the easiest. I could tie everything on and then attach it to the side. Maybe I will do like a hole on the side of the spine to attach it, but I just attached it to the string that was holding the coil that I have on the inside, and that works for now. We'll have to see how it holds up. Then I have this chevron ribbon that is bigger, and I'm just cutting that down as well to give me the elements of green and red and give me that Christmas vibe. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach everything together. So the month of July has gone by so fast. I meant to get this video up to you last week, but the other video with adding the pages in got put up late, and now we only have 2 more days left of July, and I cannot believe that. This month has flown by for the most part, but has felt like it has lasted for so long as well. But we are getting this video up today, and then I will get the flip through done as soon as possible, hopefully the last day of July, and then Christmas in July will be over. I am so excited though. I have loved the process, and I would love to create some more junk journals with these little golden books. I think they are so cute. I cannot wait to add our story, or add our Christmas story into it during the month of December, and I think it would be so cute to have like a whole shelf of little golden books with memories in them and different projects. I am really loving this element and this project and this way of being creative. So I am just adding the ribbon in, tying it on, and then I'm adding the beads and the buttons onto some of the twine. And I added definitely a lot of different elements. You can hear those bells jingling as I talk about this and show you. I added 2 little white snowflake buttons, some of those little colorful jingle bells, some of the heart, red and white heart beads that I had. Those were from some projects I used to do. And then I have this little teddy bear that is a Santa with a drum, and he is super cute button. And I have a circle red button with a white snowflake, and I tried to intermix those colored bells throughout. And then I have a red star and the giant gold bell with the red ribbon to just complete the ensemble. And then I have 2 red jingle bells that I think just look perfectly with this Jingle Bell little golden book, and then a little charm that is a little Santa. And for the charms and the bells, I just attached them around the binder ring with the string that it came with, and I'm hoping they stay, but if not, I can replace those somehow. But I love how this looks on the side, and I love how it jingles and gives us that jingle bell theme. So just attached everything together, made it bunch up and look super cute on the side. So we are going to finish this up, and then I will show you what it looks like on the side all finished. And then, like I said, I'm going to do a flip through of the whole journal, show you the finished product in another video very soon. Need to get that filmed and then get it up to you. But Christmas in July for 2024 is coming to an end, and I am so excited that I was able to bring you something fun and different for this. I have been wanting to make a journal like this for so long, and I finally got around to it. So now I'm just adding it onto the side. At first I was like, maybe I'll add it into the coils in the inside, but then I just decided to attach it to the string on the side where I held my coil on the inside. So here it is on the side. My desk is not messy. You do not see a mess. Just kidding. Are you really a crafter if your desk is not messy? Probably, but I do not always have a chance to clean up my desk because I just want to create and do all the other things. So as you can see, the charm here on the side, I really love how it turned out. It's fun, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Come back for the flip through, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.